I know, right? Okay.
Awesome. Okay, well, doesn't take super long. We're going to say it in Arabic, and then we're going to say it in
Okay.
English, and then
Okay.
that's it, girl. Okay. Let's start. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful. You just repeat after me.
So I
Ashhadu.
repeat the English or the English and Arabic?
Arabic first, and then we'll do the
Okay.
English after, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Yes, so repeat after me. Ashhadu.
Ashhadu
Allah.
Allah
Ilaha.
ilaha
Illallah.
illallah
Wa ashhadu.
wa ashhadu
Anna.
anna
Muhammadan.
Muhammadan
Rasulullah.
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 Okay, now in English. I bear witness.
I bear witness.
There is no God
There is no God
worthy of worship
worthy of worship
except Allah.
except Allah.
He is alone and has no partners.
He alone has no partners.
I bear witness.
I bear witness.
Muhammad is
Muhammadan,
the worshipper of Allah
the worshipper of Allah
and his messenger.
and his messenger.
That's it. Yay! Confetti. If I had the confetti filter, I would do it.
Yay! Confetti, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Mubarak, Mubarak.
Wow.
You did
Wow.
it.
This is a long time coming. This
Yeah.
is like, I can't believe this happened to me. Like after 53 years, like just did not expect to be able to feel so at home in a religion. And I mean, really not, if you knew my background, you would not think that I would be a religious person. So this is huge for me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for doing this.
You're
I
so
appreciate
welcome. Yes, I look forward to getting
you.
to know you now as a fellow muslimah. And
Yeah,
may
exactly.
peace be with you for the rest of today,
Thank
for the
you.
rest of your life as a Muslim, and we will all see you, inshallah, in Jannah.
Thank you, and thank you so much for taking time out of your day. I know with two little ones and everything going on, you've got a lot on your plate, so I really appreciate it.
It's fine. Allah orchestrated
It
it,
means
so I
a
could
lot
be
to
here with
me.
you right now. Yes.
Yeah, exactly. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you soon, okay?
Thanks. Goodbye. Goodbye, everyone. Have a great
Bye.
day. Bye.
Bye. She's saying bye-bye.